Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A56, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So, to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and somewhere in here we will find our screen recording toggle. You can swipe on this area down, and this will extend the list of visible toggles, revealing your screen recorder, which should be added by default. Next, you're just going to press on it, choose what kind of media you want to record. You have none, basically media or media and mic, meaning media means the sound that the device will make. And then we can just select start recording. We can skip the countdown too. And whatever you'll do right now will be recorded, though there is a bit of a limit to this. So if you open up some kind of application like, apparently we don't have Netflix here. Let's see, will this be blocked? Yes, we're gonna find out in a moment. So we're gonna find out once I'm gonna be playing it back, but to finish the recording, click right here where you have this square. This will save your screen recording to your gallery application. So let's open it up. And right now I only have this single screen recording here, but later on if you're trying to find any kind of screen recordings that you've captured, the easiest way to do so will be to navigate into albums, select view all, and then find screen recording album, and in here you'll find strictly screen recordings and nothing else. And you can see it now playing back. Now, like I mentioned before, you'll be able to record most of the things, but some applications will block the screen recorder from being able to see the screen, so you will end up with this. You remember there was a login screen, but here we didn't have one. The reason for that is it's for your privacy and security, blocking your screen recorder from being able to see your phone. Awesome. This is done obviously to benefit corporate trash, and it's hilarious that Spotify has the goals to do this, considering they literally pirated the entire music industry to become Spotify. Awesome. So this is basically done to prevent piracy, but let's be honest, if you're pirating Spotify or Netflix by recording it like this, you're doing it wrong. There are much better ways. Cloud stream, or for instance cracked applications. Highly recommend checking those out. In any case, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.